Alright, I'm back again. This is another update for the Lakeshore Fire Department. And today's update is the brand new Airport Engine Tender 12. Here's the LED version. This is a 2013 Pierce Aero XT engine tender that's going to replace the this rig. Here it is. Here's the old engine tender 12. It is a 2002 Pierce Dash. I meant. Yeah. So it's been running a lot around the airfields of the Lakeshore International Airport, and the fire department decided we need another truck. And here's the new truck they just ordered. And here's the LDD version of it. So like I said, this is a 2013 Pierce Aero XT with a 2,000 gallon tank and 500 gallon foam. Here's the front. We have the double green lights and the double red lights, green and red. I've seen a Chicago Fire Department fire engine or fire apparatus that has the double green lights. For example, in my neighborhood, engine 56 has the double green lights. And here's the Federal Signal meteor light. And here's the flush mount Q siren on the bumper. Right here. We have the doors. It's a raised roof. Code 3 light bar. We have the heavy duty deck gun. And here's the pump system. Roll up doors. Hard suction hoses. Hard suction hoses on the other side. Here's the back of it. We got red, blue, arrow stick, hose bed, right here, red LED bars, and it's all 360 view of the rig. Oh yeah, I added the turning signals on either side. So this is engine tender 12, brand new addition to the airport fire department. Now this next update, it will be which probably next weekend. I'm gonna be doing a remodeling of the Oshkosh 3000 Striker. The old one, I didn't like the front design, so I gotta remodel it. And it's